At DBS, our digital transformation agenda is all about making banking joyful. How can we create those joyful experiences at every touch point that customers experience the bank? Anytime that they want to experience it, anywhere that they want to experience it. That is the essence of the digital transformation for DBS Bank. Well, I think it's well documented at this stage that the fintech companies are starting to disintermediate the value chain of banking. So we see this, of course, as a threat. It's been a threat for some time, but we also see it as an opportunity. And that opportunity really is in the form of embracing digital. This allows us, because of customers' propensity to use more and more mobile smart devices, this allows us to, number one, protect our core value proposition in the core markets, but also allows us to extend our reach into some of the more growth markets that we have. Traditionally, you would think of that in terms of having to add branches to extend the reach of the bank. Nowadays, customers want to bank anywhere at any time, and embracing digital and embracing the mobile allows us to do that and provide those services and products to customers anywhere, anytime, and therefore extending the reach in those markets. We see the main challenge to embracing digital to future-proof and make our employees ready for the future. To this end, we're doing several things. Number one, we're extending and expanding the DBS Academy. This covers, at the moment, Singapore, Taiwan, and Indonesia. So this is a huge focus that we have in the firm. We really need to change the culture and get our people across the board to change the nature of their roles and embrace the whole digital revolution. We're also running hackathons, and this is where we work with startups and we work with tech-savvy companies to solve real business problems in a startup-type environment. And we've had something like 1,000 employees in the past year to go through the hackathon program. I think when you think about a digital strategy and making sure that it remains relevant going forward, you have to think back to the customer. It's the changing needs and preferences of customers which have really thrust upon us the digital revolution in the first place. If we stay finely tuned to the customer's needs and the customer's wants, we believe that that's the best way that we can future-proof our strategy. And we do this in a number of ways. We do this by embracing human-centered design in all our products and services. So we ask ourselves a very fundamental question, and that is, for any given product or service, what is the real need of the customer? What is the customer's job that he needs to get done? And if we can focus on that and we can provide solutions that will allow him or her to satisfy that job instantaneously, anywhere, at any time, we believe that that's the key. We also believe in making banking joyful in DBS. And if we can create truly joyful experiences that are instantaneous, that can happen anywhere when the customer wants them, we believe that that will keep our strategy in good shape as future-proof going forward.